two popular business formation services, but only one can best serve your next big idea. Which one really delivers? On the left, Northwest Registered Agent, efficient, transparent, and all about your privacy. On the right, MyCorporation, feature-rich business services designed for entrepreneurs. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what truly matters for your business. Each round will score them side by side, and at the end you'll know exactly which service takes the crown. The result might just surprise you. So before we dive in, let's map out the categories we're comparing. First up is price and value, then customer support, features and extras, formation speed, industry experience and reputation, and finally, web and branding services. It's a lot, right? But by breaking each part down, you'll figure out which service fits you best. Okay, first category, price and value. Northwest Registered Agent starts things off with a pretty attractive $39 base fee for LLC formation. Sounds low? It kinda is, and you get a year of registered agent service tossed in for free, which is honestly awesome if you care about privacy and compliance. But heads up, the operating agreement and EIN registration. Yeah, those are add-ons gonna run you extra. Now, MyCorporation does that classic multi-tier thing. The basic plan can actually come in a bit cheaper if and only if you don't need a registered agent. But if you want those bundled business essentials and the agent, you're gonna see the price tick up. Oh, and watch out for shipping and handling fees. Subtle but adds up, so who wins here? It's Northwest for that straightforward pricing and free agent year. Next, let's talk customer support. With Northwest, you get this super personalized vibe, like you're not dealing with generic call center scripts but with actual corporate guides who know their stuff. They're also big on privacy. Quick reply times, direct access, it feels like the service is tailored to you. Just keep in mind they're not there for legal advisory, so don't expect business law consultations. For MyCorporation, the support is solid, plenty of good reviews, established backing, standard call centers. But honestly, it just lacks that personal touch. Some folks found it a little hard to get direct help, especially for trickier questions. So yeah, clear winner for customer support here is Northwest. On to features and extras, this one's interesting. With Northwest, you get the essentials nailed down: 12 months of registered agent, complete local document scanning, annual compliance. Straightforward and solid. But if you're looking for fancy additional features like a logo generator or any brand or design stuff, honestly you won't find it here. Now, MyCorporation goes wild with extras. You've got options for domain names, custom logos, payroll help, even retail packaging. And yes, annual report services are on offer too. Only catch, the legal docs, EIN, and registered agent, that stuff costs extra unless you spring for higher tier plans. This one's a genuine tie, Northwest for compliance, MyCorporation for add-ons, so it really depends what you need. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Northwest Registered Agent literally scans every piece of mail sent to your business? Like, you won't miss any legal notices or weird government updates. How clutch is that? Alright, let's talk formation speed, and this is one where both services are pretty neck and neck. Northwest offers standard filing that's reliable, plus expedited options if you're impatient, because who isn't in 2025, right? MyCorporation, they also dish out rush filing if you're looking to get set up like now, but you'll pay extra for it. No shocker there, so honestly both get it done quickly, you just might pay a premium with MyCorporation. No clear winner, it's a tie. Industry experience and reputation, now this is where things get interesting. Northwest Registered Agent has this massive history, over 2 million customers since '98, and people rave about their privacy and transparency. If you want to feel like your info is in good hands, that's a big plus. Only downside, not much love for business branding, so if you want your business to feel flashy, not their scene. MyCorporation's been around a long time too, over 1 million customers, so solid legacy, but I'm just gonna say it, not everyone's thrilled with their transparency. Little bit of mixed feedback floating around. Winner for reputation and experience, Northwest takes it for the sheer numbers and that privacy focus. Last up, web and branding services. I'll be honest, Northwest doesn't even play in the sandbox. No domains, no logos, no branding services. If that's something you want, you're gonna have to look elsewhere. End of story here. MyCorporation, though, kinda goes all out. Web domains, logo packages, promotional gear, they bundle a bunch of business essentials for branding junkies. Of course, there are upcharges for these extras, so just keep your wallet handy if you go all out. But still, for branding, MyCorporation's the winner. If you want to see the big picture, just check out the radar chart. We're talking score differences from pricing to experience. Northwest keeps peaking when it comes to value, support, and reputation, while MyCorporation spikes hard on branding extras. It's actually super telling. So, my honest take, Northwest Registered Agent is just unbeatable if you want privacy, compliance, and a truly helpful support team without getting tangled in a bunch of branding fluff. But if you want every add-on in the book like logo design or payroll assistance, MyCorporation totally makes sense. For simplicity and business basics, go Northwest. For all the bells and whistles, MyCorporation's got you. Did this breakdown help make your business decisions any easier? If you want more deep comparison guides just like this, hit that follow. Your next business move could be a whole lot smarter.